Carry. If weight into be carried, the normal erect position is modified to adjust the load in the line of center of gravity of the body. The most common cause of accident in carrying load is the loss of balance due to the muscular strain. The following principles are to be observed by carrying load safety and efficiently. The load is divided into two equal bags and carried in each hand so that the spine is erect. The second one, if the single bundle is to be carried, the free arm may be raised sideward to keep the spine erect. Third, the load is carried close to the body. Fourth, when carrying packages in the hand, the elbow are kept slightly bent to take some of the strain to the elbow joint. When an object is held, it becomes the part of the total body weight and center of gravity of the body plus the way shifted in the direction of weight. So maintaining stability, this new center of gravity must be shifted back over the center of base by adjustment of the body. The second, it is important that the weight must be held near to the body center of gravity. The lesser rotatory force is exerted and the less adjustment of the body is required to counteract the weight. Third one, carrying a heavy object at one side of the body, shift the center of gravity to that side, bringing it near or on the base of support. Fifth, by raising the opposite and sideway and leaning to the opposite side while keeping the body in its same basic arrangement, the weight can be counterbalance the line of gravity again falls through center of base. Sixth, one more efficient way of carrying is over the head, in which the weight is kept in the line of center of gravity of the body, but the heavy object may cause strain at the back or neck. So a person must be padded surface in contact with head and the object.